Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the awesome USB Type-C cable set by INIU. It is a 5-pack 3.1 Ampere QC Fast Charge USB-C charging cable set. 3.3 plus 3.3 plus 6.6 plus 6.6 plus 10 feet. Cables. That's a lot of cables, isn't it? Yes, it is. But we need cables. There's every time a big problem at home because of so tiny little USB-C cables which the other brands give us with the devices or the appliances. And it's time for a bigger area. Yeah, wide connection is king. And it's not only a Type-C cable. Oh no. It's Nylon, braided phone charger cord for Samsung Galaxy S20, S10, S9, S8, iPad Pro, as you can see, GoPro, and other device. Nearly the entire side of all USB-C dock-able devices are ready for that kind of cables, as you can see. And it's not normal that I can reload and transfer my data using some Type-C cables with my GoPro. Really? That's not normal. But in this case, it's no problem, as you can see. That means that are good cables. It's possible to load with that your Galaxy Notes, your Android phones, your Google phones, LG phones, blah blah blah. Huawei, everything. INIU's confidence. At the INIU, they use only highest grade materials, so they do have the confidence to provide an industry-leading 3 years warranty. That's really awesome, because the standard warranty in Europe is only 2 years, and in the States there's only 1 year, I think. And this company will give us 3 years warranty. Awesome. 3.1 Ampere fast charge. Internal SuperConductivity copper wires enables a secure and real 3.1 Ampere output to charge our devices at the maximum speed. Incredible fast full our phones from 0 to 90% in 1 hour. And we can transfer files in seconds. We can transfer movies, songs, or entire seasons of our favorite shows just in seconds at 480 Mbps maximum speed. Yeah, that's awesome. And it's a cable for life. Exclusive FLYWEAVE braided coat plus flexible joints with an astonishing 35,000 times of band lifespan and a 3D precision laser-welded aluminium-alloy connector combined, build a cable to last longer than ever. And one package comes with 5 cables. One-stop cable solution comes with all the proper size we need most. 2 3.3 feet for daily use, 2 6.6 feet for charging in the kitchen or at the back seat of our car, and 1 awesome 10 feet for long-distance charge comfortably lying on our bed or sofa. That's really awesome. And it feels like high quality, and it is high quality materials which they build in that wires. SuperConductivity 3.1 Ampere USB cable, faster and safer than ever. For 15 minutes of charge mean 3.8 hours videos. We can bend it 45,000 times plus. Wow, we can bend a lifespan of it. INIU is an innovative accessory brand which is committed to creating products and services that gives us, the customers, the best satisfaction. At the INIU, they use only the highest quality materials, giving us the confidence to provide an industry-leading 3-year backup for each item out there. Internal superconductivity was ensure the real and reliable 3.1 ampere fast charge. Instantly add 3.8 hours of video playback just in 15 minutes. Oh yeah, and we can transfer tons of movies, songs, or entire seasons of our favorite shows just in seconds with 480 megabit per second transfer speed. And with a handy strap for organization, we can shorten the cable to any length we want, or even to portable size that can be put in a handbag or backpack. And we will get all of that. 3.3 feet USB cables 2 times, 6.6 feet cables 2 times, and one 10 feet cable. Wow, yeah, that awesome, really. Designed for flawless use with virtually all devices charging via USB-C ports. Even our Nintendo Switch can handle that. An USB-C enabled tablet, no prob. iPad Pro, no prob. And an upgrade it is, really. The smart protection system is updated from 12 layers to 15 layers full-scale protection to make it even more safer for both you and your devices out there. That's really astonishing. Real 3.1 ampere quick charge. Back to our fun in a flash. And we have superconductive wire protection. This protects our phone battery, 95% power conversion, and 57% less heat reduction. And never rupture. The laser-welded connector, touch to break. 20 kilograms, no prob. Oh yeah. And 45,000 plus stain test passed. That's really awesome. And one package with 5 cables come to us. Yeah, these are the awesome USB Type-C cables. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.